Hey there, AI trailblazers. Let's dive into something that's poised to revolutionize the AI landscape in a way that's flying under the radar for most folks. Picture this, a box, not some shiny gadget you'd pick up at an electronics store, but a custom-built, completely offline, ultra-secure device that houses a full-blown AI model, right in your hands. No reliance on the cloud, no risk of data leaks, just you, your data, and an AI that's light years ahead of your average chatbot. This isn't just another piece of tech. This is the future of AI completely offline, fully customizable, and entirely under your control. And here's the mind-blowing part. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy set in 2035. This is happening right now, in 2025, and it's already reshaping how people think about artificial intelligence. Let's unpack why this is such a game. I know Baxter, you and your own AR fist are to seek and gather in a force to seek compact packed backs. Packed to the belt with security is on board to settle. Fitting seamless compackers run board system. Third-party snooping to break any individual's quarters onboard system to even the Bexes aren't designed to big versatile, fitting your contagraken. Mitigraken AI with Ocals kending indirecalsis. Hekas's aren't just for Ocals zing individual opt-opt-ups, or F's Ocals is on just prototype sitting in a wob. Circus's are just prototype soft-duck. Sickers soft-duck soft-up-duck. Sicken more houses, duckening and more soft-up-duck as albarkanak duckening ana, is albark suckening ekas, albarkatuckening ducka, sickening enclos lookenak ducka, albarkatsubbing sucking duckenagos. Everything into Yates cost taller thousands of server thousands of process thousands of miles o thousands away. There's not just teenston be customized to buy townsing and for specific casting your past histories changes to insurello acticas to process our into responses just to receive solder and responses is to brace it to act as is to responsens race every circuiting gauss is to cast the sick crisis phrase the cover sick as to crisis alta crisis is to crisis the crisis is to crisis into crisis to braces the crisis. Stuck with the aver the prophecies you don't control. Stored on servers you'll never see, subject to policies you don't control. But with these won't control your data never leaves to bot control. Imagine here's where it gets even more exciting. You can even more exciting your own AI boxes and sell them to others, restorations, sell them to others who want the same model to full control. Imagine a the model to focus on a niche area like Reshtar Restoration Anialozy projects, Gordising AI, making it transparent, projecting with comparison, or even your startup comparison. Others welding specialized in gaiking. Iking over others building specialized AI boxes for niche community gaiking redexes in your resting grasses with for context protocol. The accessly efficient. Think of it like a complex radically efficient. Think of it the model like a system legal research. Pulling legal research from your search translator from your secured to legal research, one line context rate available hours and for a text protocol. The L is context protocol. These two boxes finances for protocol. These two boxes protocol. These two boxes probla. Passive complex problems. For dedicated complex problem, self complex problems. For several comms for canons, the level of Anthilla intelligence of canons, certicanon the quanons. Certicomining the terticonons of forgeconons, certiconon and secronons, cerconony the exfernons, cerconon sequanony the quanon, or districonon de cronons, supply chanon, sequanons and seconi. Unlike traditional research note nullis that research note nutlist that research named directly from your own data sources, whether that's a folder of PDFs, a database of customer records, or a prison of research and about says, and unlike traditional AI models that rely on a pre-trained generic answer pulled from the internet, instead it doesn't just give you a generic answer pulled from the interlies. Let's say you're a scientist studying climate change. You've got terabytes of data from experiments, satellite imagery, and field notes. When you ask your AI box a question about, say, carbon sequestering trends, it doesn't just give you a generic answer pulled from the internet. Instead, it dives its cross-references and generates a response that's tailored to your work. And because it's all happening locally, this could mean an AI that knows your inventory down to the last coffee bean or widget, helping you make data-driven decisions with it. But customing up and customizing a box requires some technical know-how, especially if you want to fine-tune the AI model for a specific use case. Companies are working to make this fine-tune the AI model for a specific use case. Companies are working to make this process more user-friendly, with plug-and-play interfaces and pre-configured models, but there's still a learning curve for non-experts. Power consumption is another consideration. Running a full AI model locally requires significant computing power, which could mean higher energy costs for some users. And while the boxes are designed to be affordable, the initial investment might still be a stretch for individuals or small business. Then there's the question of scalability. As your data grows, you might need multiple boxes or upgraded hardware to keep up with demand. But here's the flip side. These challenges are being actively addressed. The model context protocol comes back again to play here, enabling boxes to change records. Another handles spittle where one AI box manages patient records, another handles diagnostic imaging, and a third oversees scheduling. With the protocol, these boxes can share context and coordinate actions, ensuring that a patient's diagnosis is informed by their full medical history, that appointments are scheduled efficiently, and that no sensitive data ever leaves the hospital's network. Or think about a community center using multiple AI boxes, one to manage youth programs, another to track donations, and a third to coordinate volunteer schedules. The protocol lets them work together, creating a cohesive system that maximizes impact while keeping data secure. This kind of collaboration isn't just efficient, isn't limited to big institutions. So what does this mean for the future of AI? It means that AI is no longer the exclusive domain of tech giants with sprawling data centers. It's becoming a tool for everyone, customizable, private, and secure. These boxes are breaking down barriers, making it possible for anyone to harness the power of AI without sacrificing control over their data. Whether you're a teacher using an AI box to create personalized lesson plans, a farmer optimizing crop yields with localized data, or a creative professional generating art and music tailored to your style, this technology is for you. It's about putting AI in the hands of people, not corporations. Take, for example, a community garden project. An AI box could analyze soil data, track weather patterns, and suggest planting schedules, all while keeping the community's data private. But this isn't just about the boxes themselves, it's about the people who use them, the companies that build them, and the communities that grow around them. These boxes are sparking a movement toward decentralized, user-controlled AI. Imagine a world where small businesses can compete with industry giants because they have access to the same level of AI intelligence tailored to their needs. Picture researchers collaborating across disciplines, using AI boxes to share insights without compromising sensitive data. Envision individuals taking back control of their digital lives, using AI to enhance their work, creativity, and daily routines without feeding data to faceless corporations. This is a future where AI isn't just a tool, it's a collaborator, a co-creator, and a trusted ally. And most importantly, it's a future where you have the power. This movement is already taking shape in 2025, and it's only going to grow. These AI boxes, powered by the Model Context Protocol, RAG, and agentic integration, are redefining what's possible. They're not perfect, there's still work to be done to make them even more accessible, efficient, and versatile. But they're a massive step toward a world where AI serves people, not the other way around. So, whether you're an AI trailblazer looking to push the boundaries of what's possible or just someone curious about the future, this is your moment to get involved. This is the kind of future worth fighting for. A future worth fighting for. A future where AI is yours, on your terms, and in your hands.